This will be a video tutorial on how to enable dark theme on the DuckDuckGo app. I will be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now and I am on the DuckDuckGo app. To enable dark theme on the DuckDuckGo app, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on the three-dot hamburger menu. Then you want to scroll down to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. From here, under where it says Appearance, you want to tap on Theme. And right in here, you can change it from light theme to dark theme. I'm going to tap on Dark. Now I'm going to tap on the settings arrow at the top to go back. And then I'll tap on Done. That is how you enable dark theme on the DuckDuckGo app. Thanks for watching.